Are you trying to get your Canon imageCLASS MF743Cdw connected to Wi-Fi? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through complete process of connecting your MF743Cdw to your wireless network, step by step, right from the printer's control panel, so you can start printing, scanning, and copying without any cables getting in the way. And for more help, you can get one-on-one assistance from our expert team by calling the numbers on the screen. Alright then, let's jump right into it.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Go to your printer's display panel. It will show you a prompt to pick your language. Once you've chosen your language, tap Yes to confirm it. Next, the screen will ask you to pick your country. Now, select your time zone by scrolling and tapping on it. Set your time and date, then tap on Apply. You'll see a prompt about Remote UI. For this setup, choose No. It'll ask you if you want to print a color correction page, tap on Yes. It'll ask you to load paper, tap on OK to continue. Add a few sheets of paper into the tray. Go back to the screen and tap Start. Your printer will print a page. Place that page on the scanner bed just as shown. Tap Start Scanning. That completes your initial setup. On the wireless confirmation screen, select Yes. Choose your Wi-Fi network, type in your password, and tap Apply. Once it connects, tap on Close. When the application library pop-up shows up, choose End. That finishes the printer side setup.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.